NVIDIA just dropped massive announcements at GTC 2026 that could reshape artificial intelligence forever. In the next 5 minutes, we're breaking down every major reveal, from next-gen chips to AI breakthroughs that nobody saw coming. NVIDIA's GPU Technology Conference, or GTC, is where the company unveils its latest innovations in artificial intelligence, data centers, and computing infrastructure. For tech professionals and AI enthusiasts, this event is essential. What NVIDIA announces here directly influences the trajectory of AI development globally. In 2026, the stakes are higher than ever. We're at an inflection point where AI is transitioning from experimental to mission-critical across every industry. The centerpiece of this year's keynote is the Blackwell 2 GPU architecture. Building on the success of Blackwell, this generation delivers unprecedented performance gains in both training and inference. We're talking about significant increases in tensor throughput, improved memory bandwidth, and architectural refinements that make running large language models substantially more efficient. Enterprise customers are already excited. Blackwell 2 promises to reduce training time for frontier AI models by up to 40% compared to previous generations. This means faster innovation cycles and lower operational costs for companies deploying AI at scale. But NVIDIA didn't stop there. The GH300 Accelerator is being positioned as a game-changer for scientific computing and advanced AI workloads. What makes GH300 special is its architecture designed specifically for reasoning, heavy tasks, the exact problems where current AI systems struggle. Early benchmarks show remarkable improvements in complex problem-solving, multimodal reasoning, and real-time processing. This is crucial because the AI industry's next frontier isn't just about processing speed, it's about quality of intelligence. GH300 represents NVIDIA's bet on where AI needs to go next. Hardware without software is incomplete. NVIDIA announced major updates to CUDA and their developer toolkit stack. These improvements make it easier for engineers to optimize AI applications for the latest architecture. The new CUDA framework includes enhanced debugging tools, better compiler optimizations, and simplified API. For professional developers, this means less time spent on infrastructure optimization and more time innovating on AI applications themselves. NVIDIA is essentially removing barriers to adoption. So, what does this actually mean? During the keynote, NVIDIA showcased real-world deployments across healthcare, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and scientific research. A major pharmaceutical company demonstrated how these new accelerators reduced drug discovery timelines from months to weeks. Autonomous vehicle manufacturers showed dramatic improvements in real-time perception and decision-making. These aren't theoretical improvements. Companies are already implementing these technologies in production environments with measurable ROI. It's worth noting that NVIDIA faces increasing competition from AMD, Intel. Developers are trained on CUDA, companies have existing NVIDIA infrastructure, and the performance margins NVIDIA demonstrated justify the continued investment. That said, the industry is fragmenting slightly, and NVIDIA's dominance, while still commanding, is being challenged in specific workloads. The 2026 GTC keynote signals that AI is moving into a new phase. We're past the era of "can we build this?" and firmly into "how do we deploy this efficiently?" These hardware advancements enable more realistic AI applications with better inference performance, critical for real-time systems. Expect to see increased adoption of edge AI, more sophisticated multimodal models, and AI integration deeper into enterprise infrastructure throughout 2026 and beyond. The companies investing in this technology now are positioning themselves as leaders in the AI economy. If you're tracking AI developments, you can't afford to miss these updates. Hit that subscribe button for daily AI news, like this video if you found it valuable, and drop a comment telling us which announcement excited you most. What technology are you most curious about? Let's discuss it below.